Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. I'm Anto Rosita. I'm going to take maths class for you in this whole session. Let's we start. Yeah, see, now we are going to discuss about patterns with the diagram and the numbers also. Are you ready to discuss about it? Yeah, very good. See, in this pattern, I hope you are all know very well in this pattern. Okay, so see, in this the top one is, you just clear about it. The corner is the up one, second one is down, then up, then down, up, down, up, down, up and down, right? So in this top pattern is located, it will be used in top and bottom. Okay, so see the second one, I mean the bottom one. First one is the corner would located in top. Okay, second one is right side, third one is down, fourth one is left, and again they will start top, right, down and left. Okay, in this first one is top, second one is bottom, but in this bottom of the second one is top, right side, then down, then left side. Using this pattern they can arrange the patterns. Okay, yes. So then what should come next in this pattern? Can you guess it? Yes, see the first one here. One circle, it will be divided into two equal parts like a half, and they put two dots. How many dots? Yes, two dots. Okay, now we just see, in this first one is like this way, then the vertical way, then again crossed. Okay, so then what come next? Can you guess it? Yes, I hope you are all definitely guessed it. Let's we see. Yes, see, first one is comes to cross, then straight, then cross. That is vertical. Then again the next picture will become horizontal. Then again it would come crossed it. Okay, so next we are going to see playing with numbers. Hitherto we just saw the patterns with pictures. Now we are going to discuss about playing with numbers using these kind of patterns, and these are all comes the new numbers, new way and new types. Now let us see some various types for the numbers pattern. Let's we see. Yes, see the first one. Can you see something special about 1 to 1? I mean 121. Can you guess? Yeah, these 121 has one special. Can you guess what's that? Yes, wow. See, it's the same forward as well as backward. Here, 1, 2, 1. Now, let us write the reverse order, the 1, 2, the 1. How sweet, you know. Yeah, superb. So, yes, it is 1, 2, 1 from right to left. Also, it will become 121. If we remove the comma, means we can get 121, as right to left and left to right also. Okay, so see next. Look at this pattern of numbers and take it forward. Yeah, and when you see this pattern, definitely you can catch that. What is the type and what is the pattern they applied here. Okay, so see first the 1. First one is 1, and here we will take 1 into 1, that is 1 ones are 1. Okay, so here 121, that is 121. If we multiply 11 into 11, we will get 121. Okay, so here first one is only 1, second term is 11, and see the third one 1 2 3 2 1, 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so if we want to write the reverse order means we can get 1 2 3 2 1, right? So here we can split it using by the multiples 111 into 111, right? So in this first one is only 1, second term is 2 ones, then third one is triple 1, right? Yes, and again the fourth term is comes to here 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. If we can write the right to left, we can get the same numbers. Okay, so I hope you are all guess it. So which number comes to here? Okay, so this is yours homework, one of the homework in this session. So you have to write three numbers patterns. Okay, so here for 3 is finished, and again you can write the 3 terms. Okay, so let us see next. Yeah, that is activity. Make your own number with surprises. Okay, you have to discuss about it in this pattern. After that, you want to make your own numbers with surprises. Okay, using the before types of patterns. Then take a number that is 43. Now I just take 43, the number. Now turn it back to front. That is 3, 4. Then altogether, what does mean by altogether? We can join it. Okay, we can add these two numbers. If we can add these two number, we will get 77, right? So see, if we say one number, I mean 2-digit number, and reverse it, we get one number. If we add the two numbers means we can get 77. Okay, and again take another number that is 48, revised the number that is 84, add them together. So 48 plus 84, that is equal to 132, right? Yeah, in here we can get the same number that is 77. Here 132. Okay, so again take one number that is 132. Now revise the number 231. Altogether we can get 363, right? Yes. So next take a number and we can double it. After that multiply by 5. Then at final divided the answer by 10. Okay, here I just take one number that is 3. Take the number that is 3. Okay, so now double it. What does mean by double it? We should multiply into 2, right? So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so again multiply by 5. So 6 5s are 30. Now we are going to divide the answer by 10. So 30 divided by 10, that is equal to, wow, great. Yeah, which number we could guess? This number is comes to again So the final answer 30 divided by 10, we will get 3. Yeah, okay. You just check another one number. Now I take 5. So if we can double it, 5 twos are 10. Again multiply by 5. So 10 into 5, that is 50. So divided the answer by 10. 5 divided by 10, it will become, wow, great. That is also 5. Yeah, we get the same number in this type of numbers patterns. So yes, this is the second activity for you. Take a number, whatever you can guess, one digit number. Okay, you can take one digit or two digit, whatever, and take a number, then double it. You know very well what is double meaning. Okay, so then again doubled it. So which number you could double it, after that you will again double it the number. Okay, then add the number you took first to the answer. So after again double it, then which number you can guessed, you should add the answer with the guessing number. Okay, so then now again double it. So again double it, after that divided by 10. So this is the only for you, I just explain it, and using this way you have to do in this term. Okay, yes. So see, next, find the secret number. Wow, now let us see and find out the secret number. See the first clue, I gave 4 clues for you. Using these 4 clues, we have to find out the secret number. Okay, so see, it is the larger than half of 100. So what does mean by half of 100? That is 50, right? So definitely the answer will become more than 50. Okay, so larger than half of 100, so more than 50, then it is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. What does mean by 6 tens? 60. Yeah, 7 tens 70. So definitely the answer will become 60 to 70. So more than 6 tens to less than 7 tens. Okay, so this is the second clue. So if we can select any one number that is also larger than half of 100, right? Yes. See the third clue, the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. Okay, now the tens digit is one more than ones digit. Yes. Okay, then see the last one. If we see the last clue, we will get the answer and we just guess it out. Okay, so together the digit have a sum of 11. Yes, nice. If we add the two numbers, we will get 11. Okay, so which numbers can be make 11? That is 5 and 6. Okay, so if we take a 56 means it is more than half of 100. Okay, so see the second clue, it is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens, but here is 50, so 5 tens, so this is not answer. So now I just revise this term. 65 means, if we this is see the first clue, we just check it out. This is larger than half of 100. Yes, that's right. Then it is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. Yes, second clue also correct. Then see the third one, the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. See the ones digit 5. So 5 is, if we add 5 with 1, it will become 6. Okay, so the third clue completed. Then together the digit have the sum of 11. If we add 6 and 5, we will get 11. So the 65 is can solve the 4 clues. So the answer is 65. Okay. So now I just give the third activity using these kind of numbers pattern and find out the secret number. Okay, here I gave again 4 clues. It's smaller than half of 100. So smaller than means below 50. Okay, so it is more than 4 tens and less than 5 tens. So 40 to 50, the numbers will be occurred there. Okay, so third one is the ones digit is 2 more than, sorry, the tens digit is 2 more than ones digit. So the one number is the if we add the ones digit with 2, the tens digit will become. Okay, so now together the digits have a number of 6, sum of 6. Okay, together the digits have the sum of 6. If we add those two numbers, we will get the 6. Okay, so see the magical square. Here see there are 9 boxes and fill this square using all the numbers from 21 to 29. The total of each line is 75, and I already gave the number 25 in the center of the square. Okay, and we just fill the another 8 boxes. Shall we do it? Yes, see here we can use one trick. You just listen carefully. Okay, here that is 25. So here we just plus 1 and diagonally we use here minus 1. Okay, then here plus 4, sorry, here minus 4, here plus 4. Okay, so here then plus 3, here minus 3. Okay, so 25 plus 1, 26. Okay, so here 25 minus 1, 24. Right, then here 25 minus 4, that is 21. 25 plus 4, that is 29. Don't forget the numbers will be occurred here only 21 to 29. Okay, don't take the another numbers. Okay, so then here plus 3, so 28. So here minus 3, that is 22. Okay, so then now we just add these 3 numbers 26, 21 and 28. We can get 75. Okay, so here see the second term, we will get 21, 25, 29, we will get 75. Okay, so then if we add 26 and 22 means we will get 48. So which number we want to find out at final? 75. So 75 minus 48, that is 27. Okay, so the answer is 27. So here 27 plus 25, that is 52. So 52 subtract from 75, that is 23. Now you just add which one side? Using a horizontal and vertical line, we can get the 75. Okay, vertically, horizontal and diagonal also. Okay, so see the activity 4, fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. Here they gave 4 numbers by the square, magical square, but one rule is the total of each line is 150. Okay, so don't forget, using these pattern we will get the answer for this. Okay, then magic hexagons. Look at the patterns of numbers in hexagon. You will get the number in each box by multiplying the numbers in the circles next to it. So see, yes, now I just explain in next slide. Okay, you just see, if we multiply the circle terms means 5 into 14, that is equal to 70. Okay, next 5 into 13, we will get 65. So then 13 into 52, we will get so see, here is the not a 52, that is here is the 2 only, not a 52, here 2 only. So 13 2s are 26, and 2 10s are 20, and what number is here? Yes, 7 10s are 70. Okay, so if we can get 70 means which are the numbers can multiply, it will become 70, that is 10 and 7, we will get 70. Okay, so using these kind of pattern, we can find out the answer. Okay, so in first we have to multiply these two numbers, I mean the circle numbers, we will get the square numbers. Okay, if we can multiply 6 and 11 means we can get 66 in the pink color box. Then 11 into 9, we will get 99 for the green box. Using these kind of numbers pattern, you should complete the hexagon pattern. Okay, so see next, 50 plus 30 plus 12, that is equal to 30 plus 12 plus 50. Okay, here the left hand side and the right hand side, the numbers are written by the changed. We use the we just arrange the number alternative way. Okay, the 50 is comes to here, 50 is comes to here, and the 30 will become here, and 12 is also occurred here. Okay, so if we add these two these three numbers means we can get the same answers. Okay, so see here, that is 314, here also 314, 235, 235, so 52, that is 52, so both of them equal. Okay, so this is activity for you. Here is 14, here is 14, here there is two dashes. So here there is two numbers, you just put the left hand side, and also here that is 200, here there is no 200, here 100, here no 100, here one dash, here only number, that is 400. Okay, so we just put the two numbers here, and 400 is comes to here. Okay, yes, this is one of the pattern. Then here 9 minus 1, that is 8. 9 minus 1 divided by 8. See, 9 minus 1, that is 8. So divided by 8, it is also comes 1. Okay, so then 98 minus 2, that is 96, divided by 8, we will get 12. So 1 2 is, sorry, 1 8s are 8, 1 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8, here the remaining is 1, the answer is 12. Okay, so see third one, 987 minus 3, that is 984, divided by 8, we will get 1 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8, remaining 1, 2 8s are 16, so the remaining is 2, then 3 8s are 24, so 123. So using these kind of patterns, you will put the answer for these two patterns. Okay, so this is very easy for you, and you should know the divided method for here. Yeah, okay dears, I hope you are all clearly understand in this session. Yeah, I just finished my session. If you have any doubt, please ask me dears. Thank you so much, and be happy forever.